Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SILVERX ID116 Plus smartwatch. This is a very simple box, as you can tell. You can see what the smartwatch actually looks like. And there are some logo here which basically points out the different features of the smartwatch, like a heart rate monitor, a pedometer, a thermometer, call, alert notification, etc. This side we have some more information. This particular smartwatch has a display of 1.3-inch TFT. It also supports Bluetooth 4.0. It has a 150 mAh lithium polymer battery included and charging time of about 2 hours. Now let's quickly open the box and see what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. This is a user manual. As written over here, there you can see the smart wristband user manual. I'm going to leave this one over here. Next up, we have there is no charging dock here, so which is very weird, but we have the smartwatch and the silicone straps that come with it. So this is what the smartwatch looks like. As you can see, let's attach the silicone straps to it so that we can take a better look at it. So that's one and that's two. So yeah, this is what the smartwatch looks like. I will try to turn it on. There seems to be no button that can do that, but yeah, this is a 1.3-inch TFT display as mentioned earlier. The silicone straps are thinner than a lot of other smartwatches, but looks tough. It has a tough, rugged design all over. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the SILVERX ID116 Plus smartwatch. Thank you for watching.